Smile for the camera. It's okay. Stop swinging. Stop swinging.
Aidan, what's a kitty say? What's a kitty say?
What's a kitty say, sweetie? Come on. Aidan. Aidan, what's a kitty say? Yeah. Meow.
What's a lion say?
What's a sheep say? But yeah, ba ba. What's an elephant say? No. What's an elephant say? Come on. What's an elephant say, sweetie? Yeah. Yeah.
What's an elephant say?
Aidan, where's your nose? Aidan, where's your nose?
Where's your nose?
Yeah.
Where's your belly button?
Where's your belly button? Come on.
Your belly button.
Yeah.
Where's
your belly button? Where's the belly button?
There it is.
Yay. Aidan.
Where's your hair?
Could you fix your hair? Yeah. Oh.
That looks so nice.
Hmm.
What's a cow say?
What's a cow say?
What's a kitty say?
What's a kitty say?
What's a kitty say? You're not doing a good kitty.
Why ain't you doing it?
What's a kitty say?
You camera shy? You just all shy now? Ooh. Say hi to everybody. Aidan.
Turn around.
Turn around, sweetie. You shy? Aidan. What's a kitty say? What's a kitty say? You too fascinated with the red light? Let me see if I can stop. What's a kitty say? What's a kitty say? Meow. Yeah. What's a sheep say? Ba. Yeah. Ba. Can you do twinkle twinkle? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. You're a little star. Yeah, wave to the camera.
You say bye-bye?
You say bye-bye? Yeah. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. You going back to rocking? Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Yeah. That's all our tricks, huh? You know how to say food, but I don't want to say that. Bye.
Up.
You want to sing Frosty? He led them down the streets of town right to the traffic cop. And he only paused a moment when he heard him holler, "Stop! Yay! Stop!"
5 little monkeys
Sitting on the bed, one fell off and broke his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Yeah, yay! Oh, sweetie.
Good job.
Daddy has to keep his voice deep on this one. It sounded like a little girl when you were standing.
What about the itsy bitsy
See, spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and it washed the spider out. Out came the sun and it dried up all the rain. Then the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Yay!
Good job.
Yay! Okay, say goodbye. Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye.
Bye-bye, everybody. Aidan loves you.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.